Hey, welcome back to the channel. Listen, every once in a while you got to get out of the garage. So I'm here in Valley Center, California, but we're going to check out the Bates Nut Farm car show. I'm told it's a big deal. This drive-5 is so hot, he's got to have his fire extinguisher handy. I was checking out this 73 Avanti, and there's a fire extinguisher here too. I'm beginning to think that's some kind of show requirement. Yep. The detail on these old rat rods always trips me out. Look at the Folgers can. This makes me feel like I need a sign. Although I don't know how well that one will sell. Check this thing out. The details are kind of crazy. Yeah, they want you to engage your brain before you start the engine. The Blue Hippo 5.3 4L60E power this and that. Oh, and Bluetooth, of course. Well, it's insulated anyway.
Aluminum fitting. You do tighten one last bit.
Look at this. Isn't this just flat gorgeous? Dude, is this yours? How long did this take?
About a year and a half to build.
Really? It only took a year and a half. What color is that? Purple. Man, that's gorgeous.
Stain on the wood.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. That's pretty wild. Nice. You might think this is an El Camino, but you would be wrong. Look, it's a Sprint.
Hey boys, Daddy's taking notes on a Ford pickup.
12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5 o'clock, we know where that's gonna go. Closing the door, shutting them down, head for that Waffle House way across.
This is a 1935 Speedster boat tail something or another. Holy smokes. Look at this thing. Looks like dryer vent hose. Check this thing out. It's like an aeroplane. Another beautiful Bel Air. Well, let's check out the nut farm. Hopefully it's actual nuts and not like crazy people.
Here, let's finish this.
Bread, butter, pickles. Check. Is this you? So that bed's from a different year, right? Or different, is it?
Looks the same. It had a wooden bed back in the day, back in 75.
That's what this is, a 75?
75.
Man, it looks awesome.
Thank you.
Edsel. Really nice work on this C10 here. The front end is in a different zip code. A Royce of the Rolls type. Oh, this one's right-hand drive and everything. I think I'll hold it. It's a 51 Country Squire wagon. Look at that. What the Sam's Nottenheimer is this thing? Can't get in from this side, but look, there's bubbly and an 8-track. This says look up, so we're gonna look up. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's a picture frame.
Yeah, that's cute. So she's so disappointed. She goes, gee, there's less of us now.
A goofy
74,
lunchbox.
75.
Sport Goofy. We got us a pair of classic Jaguars. Calling this a tow truck. It's got a flashy light. It's got a tow truck sign. And it's got a tow truck thingy. And it's towing a truck. Ah, look at this. It's for sale. See? See how I know? It says for sale. He only wants $42,000. One of these things is not like the other. Look, y'all, it's an OBS. Well, it's not a rat rod. It's not a race truck. It's in progress. What's going on, man? Is this y'all's truck? Yeah. Is this ladder here kind of a step at your own risk kind of thing? Okay, it's gonna hold my fat ass? All right. Oh, that's awesome. Dude, is this you?
No, it's a friend of mine.
Is that really a BMW motor?
Yes.
No kidding. I wouldn't know. Couldn't, you know nothing about the BMWs.
Yeah, he's a great craftsman.
Ideas coming out of his sleeves? Well, maybe he could drop me some. Or I'll just follow him around and pick some up.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's anything up here I need. Oh, cupcake pants. What's that on the trailer there? That car there. What is that? Oh, okay. That's funny. This is a 29 Mercedes with a Chevy small block in it. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed the car show with me. Let's remember why we have this 3-day weekend, Memorial Day. For those who put on the uniform and for those families that support them, we salute you. We'll see you next time on Hammer's Garage. And remember, get off the couch and go wrench on something. Or go out to a car show. I think I got some fire ants eating my feet up. Who doesn't like bread and butter pickles?